Howdy folks, today we're going to go over the EPO maker, Skylong, and this is a SK61 there. So it is a 60% brown switch keyboard, and I think the browns are probably Gateron. So, I'll just take this out. I've already used it for a little bit. Come with anything extra? Just a cable. That's it. Cool. Oh wait. It's like a chip puller and a key puller? I'm not sure. And some extra keys, which are Command, Option. No, these are Mac keys. Okay, Mac keys, cool. So this, I know that's a key puller, right? What's this for? Is that for the entire switch? I don't know. I didn't think this was a hot swap. Let's see. Right, let's try this one. Huh. Well. Maybe it's like a smaller key puller. I don't know what that is, but I don't think this is hot swap. This one was like $69. Okay, well, so let's just check it out real quick. It's a, what did I say, 60%. So that means no cursor keys. These keys here can be cursor keys if you hold down function or something. What was it? No. You hold down function here, and then these keys right here are the arrow keys right here. It does have software that you can program it with, which is a little hard to understand, but it's not the worst thing in the world. What else? Okay, so we got the full-size shift key over there. That's actually kind of important for my touch typing stuff. So just to compare, this one is GK6X, which has the cursor keys here, and actually has Bluetooth and battery. So what I find is I always hit this up arrow instead of the shift with this hand, and of course this is just personal preference, has nothing to do with the keyboard itself, but anyway, just thought I'd mention it. So these are brown, so I think they're Backlit brown, probably. And you can kind of hear that, so let me just type for a sec. Okay, first off, what a loud keyboard. The keys, they do feel like a little bit less activation force than like a cherry brown, but what happens is they're easy to bottom out, and I'm a hard typist, so you get it. It's a loud thing. It's a loud keyboard. It has kind of an interesting clank or clack to it versus cherries, which let me pull out a cherry board, cherry browns, so you guys have an idea of maybe sort of how that compares. So Backlit brown, cherry brown with like different, oh yeah, this is an XDA profile. See that there? So pretty much, I don't know how you want to describe that, but there's no like contour, no curved contour like the keys, like a cherry type, which, let's see if I can get that right in the view. Yeah, so you can see a little bit of a contour there, right? Like a curve there. So let me just for some reason this thing makes me want to smash the keys to death. My fingers just like to smash them. Anyway, let me plug it in. I'll use the included cable. Why not? Has a nice like a fabric coating on it, and a nice little tie down thing. Oops. USB-C, by the way, to A. All right, so let's see. I know this has RGB. There we go. You can see a little bit. So that's like purple. And okay, so you know, obviously the RGB lights shine out through the sides of the keys rather than the keys themselves. I think these are, well, they're not ABS, I'm pretty sure. They don't look, they have a nice matte texture to the keys. So I'm quite happy with the quality of the keys. They seem nice, the fonts are excellent, and I like the texture a lot too. It's cool. Nice big red escape key. I love that. Also, just like the, you know, the gray color scheme here is quite appealing to me. I love that. So let's see. I know at least a few commands on this. I can do like different RGB effects. Like blue. What is this? On off. Okay, that's RGB on off. Then we have like different effects like that. So I just want to give people an idea of this guy here. I have a very hard time using a keyboard without cursor keys if it's on an actual computer. So it's possible that this one might be better on tablet or, God, I don't know. I just love my cursor keys. But overall, for what is a 60%, this is a really nice keyboard. Very nice. I'm just looking at sort of like, yeah, the alignment of the keys and things. It's all pretty perfect. Can't complain about that. It's not adjustable. The feet are just there, sort of like that. I have seen some folks taking these apart and adding some dampening material in there to kind of get that sound down a little bit. Yeah, cool. So I do like this for what it was. See, $69, I believe. Great deal. Can't complain, man. It's got a lot of high quality stuff going on with this compared to, well, I don't know, Logitech at $60. They're usually pretty crap. I forget what kind of keys those use, but yeah, I can't remember at the top of my head. But anyway, I like this better. So GK 6X, 60%. Give it a thumbs up. I like it. Cool keyboard.